everybody, my name is Anna Hawkins. I'm an English-Spanish tutor with the Office of Student Success. Today I'm going to show you some pointers and stuff that will help you to save your grade when you're writing a paper. A lot of times I get people that come into the lab and they get a lot of their formatting wrong, which makes them lose points on a paper. It's just ridiculous that you would lose a grade for something so simple that you can learn. So first off, what you want to check is your line spacing. So what we're going to do is you're going to go up to here on the Home tab. You're going to go to this little symbol with the arrows, click on it, make sure it's set to 2.0. Now if you're using a Mac, all you have to do for the second part is click it again and go to line spacing options. If you're using a PC in Windows 2007, you're going to have on this little box right here, the paragraph box, there will be a little arrow box, teeny tiny arrow right here, and you'll click on that and it'll send you to the same place. So here we're going to go to line spacing options. And you have to make sure that your spacing right here, before and after, is set to 0. Both of them. And then over here, line spacing, right here, usually it'll be set on multiple. So make sure it's set on double. Click OK. And then we got that. Now the second thing you want to do is make sure your font is correct. So we're on the home page, or the home tab. We're going to go up to the font little pull down menu here. And make sure we go down. Actually, you can just type it in, it'll be faster. So we're going to choose Times New Roman 12 point. So make sure you have Times New Roman 12 point. Go ahead and set that, get that ready. Then your third part actually, is going to be your header. Now, the easiest way to pull up your header is just to go to the top of the page and double click. Then from here, you're going to go header and footer, and if you're on a PC as well, it'll give you a little colored tab to go find this. Make sure that your header from the top is set to 0.5 inches. Now what we're going to do, and on a PC, what you're going to have to do is actually look for something that says insert page number. And you're going to look for one that gives you the page number all the way to the right. And on a PC, Windows 2007, it'll say, it'll be plain number 3, which will give you the number all the way on the right side of the screen. So here we're going to choose that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put just your last name. And that's it for your header. And a lot of times this will get set back to the default, so you're going to have to highlight it again, go back to your home page, and then once again, put it back to Times New Roman 12 point. And then after that, just click close, or you can just double click away from it. Then from here, what we're going to look to find is we're going to set our margins. So from here, you're going to go up to Layout, Margins, and make sure all of them are set to 1 inch. Now on Windows 2007, on a PC, you're going to actually have to click on the Margin button, this little button here, and make sure that they're all on normal, 1 inch. Now if you're with Mr. Kikos, he's going to require you to do one extra step here, so you're just going to have to make sure that your bottom margin is set to 0.7 instead. So you're going to go up to margins again, click on it, go to custom margins. This is for Windows 2007. And then make sure that your bottom is set to 0.7 or 0.8 depending on how it comes out for you. So we're going to set that to 0.7, and that's only for Mr. Kikos. If you don't have him, don't worry about this step. Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is our heading. Now that's going to involve the heading is different from the header, so don't get confused. Your heading is going to be in the upper left corner, and it's totally separate from your header up here. So don't include it in this little box. It's going to be down here. So up here you're going to have your full name, the teacher's name, the class name, and then the date. And the date is going to be in the format of day, month, and then year. Then after that, what you're going to do is you're going to hit enter one time on the home. Make sure you go back to the home page here. You're going to hit enter from here. Then you're up here in your paragraph box, you're going to choose the part that says centered. And then here, this is where you include your title. Hit enter one time. Go back to left aligned. And then from here, you'll tab once, and you can begin your paper. Like I said, guys, my name is Anna Hawkins. I'll be here tutoring for at least another couple semesters. Come on by Lab 124 if you guys need any help with papers. We're here to help you guys. Like I said, remember, step 1 is checking your line spacing. Then you check your font, then your header, and then your margins. And if you're with Mr. Kikos, make sure to get the bottom margin at 0.7 inches. Then you're going to check your heading, which is separate from your header, so make sure those two are separate. And then you can begin your paper. Good luck!